We started running events 15 months ago and they've all been online, so it's a thrill actually to be able to actually see people in person, people that we've been meeting on Zoom over the last year, and to finally get together in the same room and talk and chat and properly connect with each other.
So through these social events we've been able to bring together cohorts of organisations working with the same purpose in a particular subsector, and they create great collaborations, partnerships, learning and sharing really between each other to strengthen their work in whatever they're doing.
I mean, I'm very keen about this kind of event because it helps us to introduce ourselves and meet different people who are running social enterprise and cooperative and learn from each other and sharing our experience together.
Yeah, we're part of the eScalate programme within their peer support network, and just found it really useful to connect with other practitioners that were going through a lot of the same issues that we were going through, and the isolation and the challenges around COVID. Being able to be brought together by the eScalate programme just really took some of that stress and pressure off, and just being able to interact with our practitioners just made it a lot easier.